Hey guys, I wanted to show you how to make money on Redbubble. First head over to Canva, then select the Instagram post layout. Choose elements and search for a design. There are so many to choose from. Once you pick one, size it accordingly. Once you've downloaded it, head over to Photoroom Background Remover. Select it from your files, then wait until it removes your background. Download it with the standard resolution. Over to Redbubble and upload your work. Create a title for your work. And for tags, head over to ChatGPT to get inspo. To get your design pushed out to the most audience, you must put them on most products. Resize and place patterns when necessary to make the most presentable product. Do the finishing touches by adding it to a collection and selecting how you want your product to be seen as. I chose recommend, so for example, if someone buys mostly stickers, my product will show up as a sticker on their feed. Thank you so much for watching, and comment any questions below.